Dr. Kevin Shuler, veterinarian at Mount Pleasant Animal Hospital. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our capabilities for in-house diagnostic testing on our patient's blood work here. This is Alita, and she's one of our veterinary technicians, and we would obtain a sample from a sick pet. We'll load it into our test rotor, which can then be loaded into our chemistry analyzer and analyzed at that time, and we can evaluate internal organ function, liver and kidney values, and we can quickly, within 10 or 15 minutes, identify exposure rates and things for our pets here at the Animal Hospital. We also have the capabilities of doing a full, complete blood count, including red blood cells and white blood cells. We would typically do that at the same time we analyze chemistry values for sick patients, and we can also identify blood clotting abnormalities as well. And all these patients are generally fairly critical at that point, so it's imperative that we get those samples done accurately and in a timely manner. After roughly about 15 minutes, this is a typical example of a printout we will get from our in-house diagnostic machines. We have multiple parameters on our blood counts, including red blood cells and white blood cells, different kinds of white blood cells as well, and all of those things help us in diagnostic problems and diagnosing different problems. And we have here a short chemistry run checking individual organ function and also glucose levels within the bloodstream.